Hello guys, I am Vinayak from niftynayak.com. Do like and subscribe to my channel to learn more about stock market trading and investment. In this week, markets has been very volatile. Market has moved all over the places. So day before yesterday, the NSE had suspended trading because of a technical glitch. And after they resumed trading, it shot up 250 points. And today, market has fallen 600 points. For whatever might be the reason. I always tell market is like a woman. You cannot read her mind. Let me tell you a story. One day I was driving bike in a narrow road. So there was a lady who was driving a car in front of me. I wanted to overtake her. So I was waiting for the right moment to overtake her. Then she put the right indicator. I thought let her take right and go, and after that I will go. The first crossroad came and she did not take a right. She kept on going straight. The second crossroad came, even then she kept on going straight. I thought okay, in the next crossroad she'll take a right, and after that I will go. The third crossroad came, even then she did not take a right. She kept on going straight. Then I thought, okay, she might have put it by mistake or she might have put and forgotten. That's why the indicator is still on. I thought and I tried overtaking her. The moment I was about to overtake her, she took her right. I fell down. I had some wounds as well. The lady came out of the car and she started shouting at me, telling, can't you see I have put the indicator? Now, whose mistake is this? Is it my mistake or is it her mistake? Then I did not have any words to tell. I paid for the damage what had happened to the car. Even markets are like this. Markets have rallied from 7,000 to 14,000. And every time when there was a rally, everyone was expecting a correction. They thought, okay, now there will be an event which will trigger and markets will collapse. But every dip has been bought. Markets will fall, the FIIs will start buying, and markets again continue its rally. A week before the budget, markets started falling. So now everyone was thinking that now markets will fall after the budget will trigger the fall. Because all data indicators were showing that markets were in overbought condition. But after budget, markets started to rally even more. So all the bears were trapped and they had to cut in stop loss. Now markets rallied and there were many instances where markets gave you an indicator that it will collapse, but that did not happen. So now everyone was convinced that this is a bull run, markets will continue to rally. And day before yesterday, where markets were suspended, everyone thought that now if market resumes trading, people will be in panic, they will close their positions and market will fall. But there was a tweet from the finance ministry which came as a surprise. And after that, market shot up 250 points. Now it was clear that this is a bull run, the government is enthusiastic, everything is in favor, these indicators, data, PCR, nothing works. The bull run is going to continue, and most of them had taken positions on the long side. Today, markets have fallen 600 points. Let me tell you, if this had happened yesterday, which was the monthly expiry day, half of the traders would have come to streets. And let me tell you, this is not a joke. These kind of events can happen anytime. As a retailer, you don't have any control over the market. Yes, I'm not telling you not to see the data, charts, and other things, but understand that as retailer, you are the last person to know anything. Let me tell you, lot of people called me day before yesterday when there was that NSE glitch. They well, they because they had losses, they wanted to know what to do now. They wanted to know whether they can file a complaint against Zerodha, they can file a complaint against NSE, can they file a complaint against SEBI? Nothing is going to work. Do you think those people will compensate for your losses? No way. So I even told it's like playing with fire. Whether you fall on the fire or if fire falls on you, you will be getting burnt. So be careful in your trades and make sure that you are hedged for your trades. Don't think that this has happened now and it will not happen again. From 2020 to today, these kind of events has happened many times. So always make sure that the trades are hedged and you are not kicked out of the market. Now coming to markets, as I told you, from 7,000 we have continuously rallied and we have come to 15,000. A correction is what most of the traders are expecting. But whenever there was a dip, the dips were bought. If you had followed this system for a few months, you would have made wonderful money because every dip has been bought by these institutions. You can see institution data, FIIs are pumping money like there is no tomorrow. Will this continue? I don't know. But this cannot go on for a long time. Finally, there will be a dip which will not be bought. Now, which dip is that? Is that this dip? I don't know. Now, let's see the data what is there in front of us. Most of the good news is over and there is no major event which is ahead of us. Also, the fuel prices are at its high. The petrol prices in some of the cities are almost 100 rupees. Now, if petrol goes to 100 rupees, it is obvious that everything increases. The transportation increases, logistics increases, the commodity prices increase, the lifestyle of people will increase, the inflation will increase. And definitely, when inflation increases, it is not good for anyone. And markets are not an exception. So, markets will not continuously go, and there will be a dip which may not be bought, and markets will correct. Maybe this is the dip. So now I am slightly bearish in the market, saying that I am not going to short Nifty or Bank Nifty and take a huge risk. Even if I do that, my volumes will be very, very low when I do such high risk trades. I will do bearish trades like ratio spreads. There are many other strategies which can be done in options where you can define your risk and take a trade as per your view. So I hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching.